Well, welcome to the Jed Show. Jed's going to show you what he's learned over his last 2 courses of lessons, and so it's over to you, hon.
Stay. Come. Sit. Down. Stay. Come here. Sit. Down. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Shake. Good boy. Down. Jed, down. Look at me. Leave it. Leave it. Look at me. Take it. Leave it. Good boy. Jed, go to your bed. Go to your bed. Sit. Goodbye. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Jed, come here. Sit. Down. Roll over. Down. That's that one. Roll over. Down. 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 Not getting it. Roll over. Down. Down.
She's persistent.
Roll over.
Oh, we knew he
Sit.
could do it.
Catch. Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay, down. Sit. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Goodbye. Okay.
Goodbye, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the show.